विशेष रूप से मिलन ही शरीर स्थूल है और मन क्या है स्थूल के द्वारा जो मिलन होता है स्थूल शरीर के द्वारा जब मिलन होता है तो क्षणस्थायी होता है। और सूक्ष्म शरीर के द्वारा जो मिलन होता है वो अधिक समय तक रहता है। इसमें भगवान भी गोपियों के भगवान भी मुसलमान भारत ने कहा दूरस्थिता दूर में रहा करके अधिक मिलन की स्मृतियां निकट में रह करके जो जो मिलन नहीं होता है किंतु दूर में रह करके वो मिलन अधिक होता है। जैसे कोई एक वस्तु आपके अमूल्य धन आपके प्राप्त हुआ यथा प्राप्ते वा विनष्टे, जैसे कि वस्तु आपके प्राप्ति हुई और वो वस्तु
Hare Krishna. So we were hearing about the Bhajan Rahasya and we have already discussed about the shlok number 12 and 13. So let's suppose that you have some precious thing, so there is no value of it. When you lost that thing, so there is so much valuable for you. So whenever you are eating, sleeping and whatever you are doing, so you will remembering about that things. And after some time if you get that lost things, so what you will do? So you will be so much happy. So in this way here it is also described their meeting mode is describing here, but mostly here in the shloka Bhaktivinoda Thakur was describing the shloka. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is describing the Viraha shlokas here. So you should understand why he is describing the Viraha Leela here. When this chapter name given was Milan, Sambhogmay Milan, then why he is deciding why he has written so much shlokas of the Vira, means separation. So he has written so many shlokas of Gopi Geet here also. Why is this is all described here? Why? Because in the Vira there is so much
किंतु वस्तु जब हमारे दूर से आंखों से उधर जाते हैं तो वस्तु का स्मृतियां अधिक होती है।
If an object goes away from our vision, the attachment becomes more.
कह रही हैं, हे श्याम
Gopis are
सुंदर,
telling, Hey Sham Sundar,
जब आप दिन के समय में गोचारण के लिए
when in the daytime, when you go for
तब
cow
आपके
herding,
अदर्शन से
by your darshan at that time,
ब्रजवासी जन एक क्षण को भी युग के समान बिताते हैं।
for Vrajavasis even one minute,
जब आप
one minute is like one yoga.
प्रत्यावर्तन करते हैं,
By the evening when you come back from the cow herding,
प्रत्यावर्तन करते हैं। तथा भुंगारी और काम से अमृत आपका परम सुंदर मुखारविंद हम देखते हैं, उस समय पलकों का गिरना दुखमय हो जाता है। क्या उन नेत्र पर पलकों की गिराने वाली विधाता अनधिक का कृपया इस प्रकार प्रेम आरती से,
So in this way, Gopya by the Prem Aarti,
आत्मसंतुष्टित होकर के
so she is so much suffering and describing all these things.
इसकी व्याख्या में भजन रहस्य वृत्ति में
So, so their explanation is going to describe in the Bhajan Rasya Vritti.
गोपियों की कृष्ण योग में खनाथ काल में दूध के समान तथा मिलन के एक दूध की फल के समान प्रतीत होता है। इस अवस्था को महाभाव कहते हैं। महाभाव के लक्षण हमने बताया।
So what are the symptoms of Mahava? We have already discussed about Chadadi, Kalpatya, Chadadi like this. Tarjak Yoni, Prapti, Lalsa. These all are the symptoms of Mahabhav. What are the Trijag Yoni?
मनुष्य इतर जनित त्रिजगनी का है। अर्थात ये मनुष्य शरीर के द्वारा,
So by this human body,
कृष्ण के साथ हम मिल नहीं पाएंगे।
so we cannot meet with Krishna.
विशेष करके
And especially, what are the gopis saying?
त्रियोगी होने के नाते
So being a lady form, being a female body,
के साथ सदा सर्वदा मिलन ये दुर्लभ है।
so meeting with Krishna, it's very rare all the time.
समाज के रीति नीति
They have to follow rules and regulation of the society.
मानना पड़ता है।
They have to accept that all things.
इसलिए यहाँ पर कहानी है।
They have to accept.
महाभारत की जो लक्षण
So the symptoms of Mahabhav, so this is all described here.
आलोच्य श्लोक में गोपियां
So in the shlokas, gopis,
भगवान शब्द के द्वारा संबोधित,
so Shri Krishna is, gopis are indicating to Krishna like Bhagwan.
भगवान शब्द का अर्थ क्या होता है?
What is the meaning of
भगवान माने
Bhavan? Means he is saying Bhavan. Gopis are saying Bhavan. Bhavan means aap, you,
भगवदीय भाषा, भगवदीय आपके
for you.
भगवान शब्द का संबोधित करती है, यद्यपि भगवान शब्द का प्रयोग सम्मान्य व्यक्ति के लिए ही होता है।
So Bhavan words use this for the respectable persons.
संबोधन
But when,
प्रणय की इच्छा वसुध किया है, विवाह दशा में
so in the mode of separation,
दोनों आ जाता है। एक
both comes.
ईर्ष्या,
One is jealousy. जय हो निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल जय हो. Everything is okay? Yes, everything is done in Vrindavan very nicely.
विवाह दशा में
So in the mode of separation, there are two things comes.
एक होता है
One is
वो ईश्वर आदि प्रकाश होता है।
Aishwarya is expresses there, opulences, and the second thing,
ईर्ष्या आदि आदर के हृदय को कड़ीभूत कर
jealousy comes and situated in the hearts.
इसलिए
That's why
आलोच्य श्लोक में इस
in these shlokas,
भगवान शब्द प्रयोग
Bhavan Sab's word is used.
अतिथि जब भगवान हे कृष्णा तुम और असत को हो, हमारे जैसे रसद को उपस्थित होने पर भी तुम वन में विचरण कर रहे हो। है? कृष्ण के किस प्रकार गोपियां उलाहना देती हैं।
So how gopis are teasing to Krishna and using these kinds of words.
ये हे कृष्ण तुम औरसत को हो।
Hey Krishna, you don't know anything about Ras. You are unaware about Ras.
रसत को उपस्थित होने पर भी तुम वर्णन चरण करते हैं। गोपियां अपने को क्या मान रही है?
And what Gopi is thinking themselves?
रस तत्व के जानने वाले।
They are the knower of the Ras Tattva, and they are saying, just like us, you are visiting in the forest.
सारे वेद उपनिषद में कृष्ण के रसो रसोई से कहा गया।
In the Ved Upanishad, everywhere Krishna is called Raso Rasovesa. He is the topmost Rasik. Rasa Swarup, Prem Swarup is Govind, and gopis are teasing them with the words that you are Arasak. Arasak means you don't have any knowledge about Ras. And Rup Goswami Pad in the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, in the preface shlokas, what are they saying? I have told you these shlokas many times. You have to learn these shlokas. Akhil Rasama Sindhu. Akhil Rasama Sindhu. So Rup Goswami Pad is describing that what kinds of Krishna is. He is Akhil Rasamrita Sindhu. He is the nectar of ocean. So that's why Vishnu Chakravarti Pad is also written, whose heart is like a nectar. So yesterday we have discussed about so many kinds of hearts, that there are many kinds of hearts. Madan, honey. Madan means honey. Butter means Mohan. Navneet, and the third one is nectar, Amritulya. So Krishna is called Akhil Rasama Sindhu. Akhil. So Akhil means the boundless, endless, or what we say infinite. Bound means there is a limitation, but boundless means there is no limitations. So whenever we close the door, so there is a something which we closed, which is called kadi. And Akhil means there is no bandhan, there is no foundation, which is infinite.
यह अपने प्रभाव के द्वारा तारका और पालिनामी स्थिति ही रखा है। अपने पश्चिम ललित तारका कलित श्यामा ललित राधा श्यामा आदि सखियां,
Shama and other Sakhiyas,
जिनकी प्रेम में बसी,
so who are controlled by his love.
राधा प्रयाण विदुर्य, वह विदुर मन चंद्रमा जिसको,
So that Vidur means like Chandrama, like moon. He is the Pran Swarup of Srimati Radhika. So this explanation is given very nicely our Acharya Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Tatastha, Swahidra Paksha.
पक्षियों गोपियों के कृष्ण कैसे अपने प्रेम माधुर्य आदि के द्वारा,
So how Krishna has attracted all these kinds of gopis by his prema madhurya, by his sweetness,
जिस प्रकार
just like the moon.
कैसे सुंदर आकाश में सुशोभित होता है,
So how beautifully it is shining in the night, in the sky.
चंद्रमा के सबसे निकटतम सारे कौन रहता है?
So which is the topmost and which are the nearest stars from the moon is Rohini.
27 नक्षत्र होता है,
There are 27 nakshatra,
किंतु रोहिणी
but Rohini
अत्यंत जो है
is very closest to Chandrama, the moon.
पुराण की अनेक प्रथाएं
So
हैं।
there are many kathas of Purans.
तो उसी प्रकार
So
राधा
in this
प्रयाण
way,
में
Radha
राधा के प्राण स्वरूप विदुमन चंद्रमा कृष्ण चंद्र या युक्त होते हैं।
that's why
और
who are the life of
कृष्ण के
Radha
क्या
ji, that Krishna is Jayukta.
ये आप
So in this way gopis are saying you doesn't have any knowledge, you don't have any knowledge about rasa, and you are arasak, means you don't have any knowledge about ras. So there is a Vamya Bhav is manifested here.
क्यों करें? विचारहीन गोवियों के साथ घूमने से तुम्हारी बुद्धि भी गोवियों के समान जड़ हो गई।
So because you are herding the cows day and night, so that's why your wisdom also become like them, cows and buffaloes, like cows and calves. So the person, so here Purush is saying it means Badajeev. When the Vadajeev associates with anyone, so his qualities comes on his hearts. What I said.
जिस पुरुष किसको संग करता है उसका गुण उसका पास आ जाता है। पुरुष माने बद्धजीव।
जुआरी के साथ कर दो आप, जुआरी बन जाओ।
If you are associating with the gambler, so you will be gambler.
शराब के साथ
If you will associate with the drinker, so you will be drinker. If you associate sadhu, so you will be sadhu. So it means the person whom you associate, you will be like that. So in the same way, gopis are teasing to Krishna. In this way, gopis are saying, so the cows and calves are like very foolish. They doesn't have any kinds of wisdom. They are eating grass. So in this way you are wanting this kinds of cows, so your wisdom is like jad, mic. So this is the effect of association with the cows. Whole the day you are herding the cows, your wisdom becomes like pashu, animals. So after taking the beautiful darshan of Krishna, gopis are waiting. At the time of day, gopis, they are staying at home. So that's why in the daytime, gopis, in the separation of Krishna, for taking the darshan of Krishna, they are so much eager that when Krishna will return back, वापस आएंगे after cow herding. So hearing this, Krishna said, "Hey Vrajadevis, so you always take the darshan of my face. Then what is, you always take my darshan, then what is the speciality when I returning back from the cow herding? So what is the speciality there you would like to take the darshan of that face?" So what is the speciality in that kind of face? That why are you so much eager for taking the darshan of that face? So hearing this katha, Braj Ramaniyas, Braj Gopis are saying,
कुंतल से सुशोभित आपके श्रीमुख, ये विक्षिप्त केस आपके मुखारविंद के आच्छादित किए जाते हैं। तथा हम दर्शन नहीं कर देते। अर्थात जब आप
So when you are returning back from the cow herding and you are chasing the cows,
घुंघराले वाले बाल क्या
so
होते हैं?
your beautiful curly
आपके
hairs,
अच्छा दिखता है।
they covered your face,
और उसमें हम
and at that
आपको
time
पूर्ण रूप से आपके मुखारविंद के दर्शन कर नहीं पाते।
so we are not able to completely take the darshan of your face.
इसी के कहा जाता है
So
प्रणय कूप कहा जाता है।
this is called the pranay kop. Pranay kop.
प्रणय कूप कहा जाता है। कूप माने
Kop means irsha, jealousy.
प्रणय होने के नाते
So
ये समस्त होता है।
being a pranay, this is all kinds of things is showed here.
ब्रज गोपियाँ कहने लगी, हे यह कुटिल के मुख को आवृत केवल अपने आप मुखारविंद के आचरण करते। गोपियाँ क्या करी?
What are the gopis saying?
कुटिल केश
Your kutil kesh, your curly, gongrale.
वक्र घुंघराले
So your curly hairs.
कुटिल अपन बोला। कुटिल शब्द भी
This is why here it is showing kutil kundalam.
वक्र समझते भी क्या है? टेढ़े में है।
Bakra means टेढ़े मेढ़े, the zigzag way. So it means curly.
अधिक रूप में क्या होता है? टेढ़े मेढ़े होता है।
So hairs mostly it's they are they are
इसलिए वैष्णव लोग क्या करते हैं? बाल को काटते हैं।
the position of the hair is so much curly. That's why Vaishnav used to shave their heads. They don't keep so much hairs. Some people used to ask that at the time of Purnima, why do you do the shave your hairs? So that because it is they are teda meda, they are zigzags. So who will respect this kinds of hair? So in this way, gopis are saying in a pranay kop, the gopis are saying.
ये कुटिल केश मुख को आवृत करके केवल हमें और आपके मुखार मधुमा को आस्वादन करें और स्वयं को आपके मुखारविंद का आस्वादन करने।
So we are not able to take the darshan of your full face because you are returning back. Your hair is covering your face. So they are taking your darshan. We are not able to take the darshan because Krishna has the curly hair which is covering his face.
क्या सोच रही है?
And what are the gopis thinking?
आपकी जो केश ही जो है आपके मुखारविंद के आस्वादन करते हैं।
So your curly hair is taking the darshan of your face. We are not able to take the darshan of your face completely.
संसार की तो मन कैसे हो जाता है? देखो कैसे सुंदर भावना।
So how beautiful feelings are expressing by the gopis.
अपराध इस जगत में सर्व क्षेत्र है।
So, in the transcendental world, everything is transcendental.
आप यदि कहे बोले कृष्ण के बाद कृष्ण के मुखारविंद के सौंदर्य का आस्वादन करते हैं कि नहीं?
So how if you can say like that the Krishna's hair can take the darshan of Krishna's face?
करते हैं।
Is it true? Yes, it takes the darshan because
अंग आदि
so because Krishna's all body parts and limbs of bodies, they all are transcendental.
इसलिए उसमें अपराधी तो उसमें सब क्या है? सब चेतन सिद्ध है।
So that's why everything is transcendental here.
नवजन्मा से लेकर के कृष्ण के दांत तक
From Krishna's nails, Krishna's teeth, Krishna's hair, all the things is transcendental. It is not possible in this mic words. Our hair is mic.
जल भी नहीं है, चेतन भी नहीं है।
Actually, this hair is not Jad or Chetan.
यदि जड़ होते तो बाल की बातें क्यों होती?
If it is mic, then how it can grows? Our hair grows.
एक महीने 2 महीने 4 महीने
For
बाद
1 month, 2 months, and 3 months, our hair is growing. But if they are mic, then how it can be grow? It is not possible.
और देखो
And look,
ये बाल जब हमारे शरीर पर रहता है
when this hair touches our when this hair with our body touch,
यही बाल जब हमारे शरीर से
so, and when we have separated this hair from our body, so it is very impious. When it is in our body, it is very pious, but when it is not separated from our body, it is very impious.
बाल आदि काटने के बाद स्नान करना पड़ता है।
So that's why after cutting our hair, we have to take shower, we have to take bath.
हम लोग पूर्णिमा में स्नान करते
So at the time of at the day of Purnima, we takes bath after cutting our hair, after shaving off our hair.
जो स्नान नहीं करता है
Who are not taking the shower after cutting their hairs, he is called Malich. So in the next birth he will get the yoni, like a very lower yoni, very lower species. It is mentioned in the Puran. That's why after shaving everybody should take bath.
नाखून आदि काटने के बाद हाथ पैर धोना चाहिए.
So after cutting your nails you should always wash your hands, otherwise it is impious,
नाखून है
because the nails we have in our hand,
तब हम इसको आदर करते हैं. किंतु यही नाखून जब कट जाए
everybody pays affection and love to our nails, but when we cut it, so nobody cares, and we hate that things when it is separated from our body.
अपराध के इस जगत में
So but in the transcendental world,
वो केस आदि है.
Krishna's hair and everything all are transcendental. Angani Saklayandi, yes, like
केस क्या कर रही हैं रुपया क्या कर रही हैं.
so what are the gopis saying here, that what your hair is doing, because your hair is covering your face and they are relishing the darshan of your face,
मन व्यतीत हो रहा है. क्यों हम लोग आपके भारत में के दर्शन
because we are not able to take the completely darshan of your face. That's why our heart is getting so much pain.
प्रतीक्षता गोपियां कहती हैं
And gopis are
इस
saying,
पर भी हम लोग ऊर्ध्वमुख होकर विस्फारित नयन से आपको देखने का प्रयत्न करते हैं, किंतु पूर्ण रूप से दर्शन नहीं होता है. कारण श्रीकाम कृत जड़. गोपियां कह रहे हैं, हाय विधाता, तू जड़ बुद्धि वाले हो, मैंने कम बुद्धि वाले, लेट इंटेलिजेंस है. यहाँ जड़ बुद्धि वाले कहने से विधाता माने सृष्टिकर्ता ब्रह्मा जी.
so now gopis are teasing to Brahma and saying to Brahma, hey Brahma, you are very less minded, you are very less minded. Brahma is creating, Shiva is destroying, and Narayan is nourishing everybody. So that's why gopis are teasing to Brahma and saying that you are very less intelligent.
फलों की सृष्टि की है. इतने सुंदर मुखारविंद के दोनों के लिए केवल दो नेत्र ही दिए. यह भी हर समय गिर गिरने वाली फलों से आवृत होकर के दर्शन की विरोधी होते. ब्रह्मा जी के कार्य ये ब्रह्मा जी,
Hey Brahma, hey creators,
आपने ऐसे सुंदर कृष्ण के मुखारविंद की सृष्टि कर
so you have created a beautiful of Krishnas,
सृजन किया. और क्या हम लोग को क्या दिया?
and what you have given to us, you have given us two eyes. Maybe we can see by the two eyes.
दो आँख में दोनों के दर्शन करने का संभव नहीं.
It is not possible to take the darshan by the two eyes of Govind.
कितना आप दिया? दो. ऐसे कोई
So you have given us two eyes, and what you have given there, you have given eyelids upon that.
फलकों से आवृत जो आपके दर्शन के विरोधी.
So our eyelids so much against of your taking darshan.
तब तो उत्कर्षता बढ़ता है. द्रौपदी के महिमा कृष्ण जगत में प्रचार किया.
So Draupadi's qualities and glorification described by the Krishna in the world.
दुर्योधन दुशासन
Who glorified Draupadi? Actually, in fact, Draupadi's glorification is described in the world by Duryodhan. If Duryodhan and Dushashan is not there, so who will pull the sari of Draupadi? That's why in a prataksha or aprataksha form, so somebody is describing someone's glory. That's why in the Mahabharata is written, who knows to Draupadi? No one.
द्रौपदी की भूमिका महाभारत में जो हम देखते हैं, जब से दुर्योधन
So when Dushasan caught her by catching her hair,
और दुशासन ने क्या की, उनको केस पकड़ करके
Draupadi was in pious stage and impure stage. So what happened? Dushasan went to Draupadi and he catches her and he caught her hair and he carrying her into the assembly. And what he did, he started snatching her saris, and then Bhagwan appeared into the form of vastra, cloths, and he saved Draupadi. So that's why the glorification is of Draupadi is described by the Dushasan and Duryodhan, because they are against. Because Duryodhan is against from Draupadi. So where there is against party, so your glorification will be increased. Sometimes I used to crack a joke. One girl wanted to get married, so everything was fixed. Her marriage is fixed. So before the marriage, so the son, her mother-in-law, what she did, so her futures mother-in-law, so she went to see the face of her son's wife, the future wife. So she said, oh my dear daughter, you are coming in our house after marriage, so we would like to suggest some things, sir. What are the rules and regulation in our home? So I would like to tell you properly. So otherwise after marriage you will say, I don't like this, I don't like that. So you should take, I am telling you everything properly, that what are the rules and regulation in our society. So if you are, everybody gets married one time in a life, so that's why it is not the foreign countries that you can marry again and again. These in the western countries, people get married so many times. If they are not satisfied, then they divorce, then they marry with another person, then they divorce and marry another person. So they meet separated again and again. So they are making childs so many times. They are living together and separating, living together and separating. So according to our Hindu religion or in Indian culture, once you get married, so further you can't. So if there is divorce, so there is no meeting. Once you are separated, so there is no meeting in Indian culture. So that's why her mother-in-law said, I am telling you about the rules and regulation of my house, because what are the rules and regulation there, because you are going to come very soon. So the future mother-in-law said, so we are very dharmic, we are very religious, so we used to get up early in the morning. From me, my husband, your sister-in-law, everybody gets up early in the morning. And after getting up, what we do? We get up early in the morning at 3 a.m. After taking shower, there is a temple in our home. We used to do Stavarnistuti at our temple. So she said, how many Thakurji are? 33 Thakur. Because we have 33, we have 33 Thakurji in our home. So the Thakurji comes in our house, we always worship all the deities.
दुर्गा है, शिव है,
Kali, Durga, Shiv, Krishna.
यहाँ तक कि रास्ते में चलते चलते कहीं काले पत्थर भी मिल गए,
Even if we are going on the path and if we got the black stone,
पत्थर हो ना, तो जी कोई ठाकुर जी होगा।
so we must be thinking that he is Thakurji. So we used to carry that, or maybe it is Shivling also. So respecting that stone, we used to carry that in our house.
ठाकुर जी की आरती उतार।
So after that we used to perform Aarti of the Thakurji.
लेकिन एक ही दीपक सबके यहाँ
So one earthen lamp we used to do by that one earthen lamp we used to do Aarti of all Thakurji.
इसके पश्चात
And after
चालीसा
that
पढ़ते हैं।
we used to read Chalisa, Ganesh Chalika,
जयंती देवी
because we
देवियाँ
have 33 Devi
सबके चालीसा
Devtas.
पढ़ते हैं। जिसे छोड़ते
So we used to read all Chalisas, Shiv Chalisa, Durga Chalisa,
समझ में आ रहे हैं? राम चालीसा, गणेश चालीसा,
Ram Chalisa, Ganesh Chalika,
कृष्ण
Krishna Chalisa, Radha Chalisa.
चालीसा।
So all the Chalisa we used to read. How many Devi idols we have. So after getting up 3 a.m. in the morning, so we start from 4 a.m. and it end up at 8 a.m. So it takes 4 hours. And after that what we do after reading Chalisa, we read some Gita, we read Bhagavad. So little we read everything. Then then after that we do parikrama. We never leave any demigods and demigoddess. So after ending up all this thing, it becomes 10 a.m. So after 10 o'clock we offer some bhog to Thakurji, and we do the stuff and study to all the demigods. So we have one bowl for Thakurji, and we used to offer with the same bowl every all the demigods. So I have seen in some houses they are offering food to Thakurji by one bowl to every demigods and demigoddess. So after 11 comes, and after that we take breakfast. So because she is a modern girl, so she said, I will not do one thing, I will not do all these things. Okay, half an hour I can just go to the temple and do all the things. So she was thinking like this. So then modern girl said, okay, very nice.
आपने तो बोला सारी ग्रंथ पढ़ते रहते हो, कौन सा ग्रंथ रह गया, तो तू बता।
So
कौन सा ग्रंथ तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है?
So the mother-in-law asked. So the mother-in-law asked. We used to read so many granths like Bhagavad Gita and every granth. So mother-in-law asked to the daughter-in-law that what kind of granth you like most. So she said, I like Mahabharat. I like Mahabharat because Mahabharat always distributed, fighting each other. So in this way she said, I like Mahabharat. So that's why she said, in this and that kinds of house I cannot get married. So it means there is a against party, so there is a glorifies so much. So in this way the mother-in-law said that we are three members in our house. I am the king of the house. My daughter is the minister. They are giving the instructions. And your husband he is the transport minister. He is the transport minister. You go here and there and take this things and that things from the market. And I have all the keys from all the monies and all. So now you tell which kinds of designation you need. So she said, I will be in the against party. So she said, what kind of designation you need? So she said, no, I don't need any designation. She said, I am from the opposite party. So it means she won't get married. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. You got?
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी हम जो कथा सुना रहे हैं,
So the katha we were telling here,
तदेव द्विधाम पक्ष की द्विधा जड़ विधाता को गोपियाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं?
so gopis are telling to Vidhata, you are Mike, you are less intelligent,
विवेकहीन,
you are less minded, because you have created this world, but it is not created by the intelligence. You have given us eyes, but you have given us eyes, but in the eyes you have given us eyelid. So by that we are not taking darshan properly of Govind's face.
इसलिए यहाँ पर दर्शन के विरोधी है ना, ये फलक क्या है?
What are these eyes, these eyelids?
कृष्ण दर्शन के लिए गोविंद की एक क्षण दर्शन में बाधाएं,
Obstacles. Eyelids, yes.
इसलिए कहते हैं खनार्थे कल्पत्ते.
So when gopis are not able to take the darshan of properly of Govinda face, so they are, teasing to Brahma, because eyelids are making obstacles in Govind darshan regularly. So where is the person who used to make garlands for Thakurji? Where is he? Oh, he is in the market, Gurudev. He is coming so very early.
विरह में खनत्त कल्पत्त तथा मिलन में कल्पत्त अधूर महाभारत की दर्शन है। प्रस्तुत श्लोक में ब्रजदेवियों में अति सुस्पष्ट रूप में लक्षित है। इस श्लोक में
In this shlokas,
ये महाभावों की जो लक्षण है,
so the Braj Devis, the symptoms of Mahabhav are describing here in a very sthul form, in a subtle form, gross form.
तात्पर्य गोपी भावार्थ, कृष्ण की सुख,
Krishna's pleasure.
सुख कैसे?
So gopis are thinking only one thing, that how Krishna can be happy. What is the meaning of Varj? The topmost. The Varj meaning is topmost. That's why here it is saying, when you know the meanings of the words, so it's really easy to make the sense of the words. Yatte sujata charanambujam. So this is the slok number 16 of Bhajan Rahasya. Hey Priya,
संदर्शन के समय आपके संवर्धन के समय आपके कोमल शरीर को अपने अंगों पर हम डरते डरते धीरे धीरे धारण करते हैं कि हम हमारे कठोर इन अंगों से आपकी चरण कथा न हो जाती। इसी कोमल चरण से आपकी घोर वन में गायों के किसी से
बिरयानी भी आएगी, बिरयानी
या ठीक है, कंकर पत्थर आदि आपके चरण में नहीं क्यों रहे?
बिरयानी खोलो।
यह सोचकर हम अत्यंत व्याकुल। हे प्राणनाथ, आप हमारे जीवन स्वरूप हो, अति मन से विरक्त हो। आप हमारे सामने आविर्भूत हो जाइए। ये अंतिम श्लोक में
So in this last shlokas,
हमारा चरणाम्बुज एक वर्ष से सावधानी धरी रखे क्लेशम
this is the last shloka of the Gopi Geets.
इस श्लोक में गोपियों की प्रकार और प्रेम की अभिव्यक्ति है। पूर्व श्लोक में गोपियां अपनी विरह दशा का वर्णन करती है, किंतु इस श्लोक में गोपियों के मुख से कृष्ण सुख की चिंता प्रकट हो रही है। काम के आवरण में गोपियां अपने प्रेम की छुपाने का बहुत प्रयत्न किया, किंतु प्रेम की तीव्र प्रभाव के कारण प्रेम गोपन नहीं रखता।
So Gurudev is enjoying himself. He is reading. So Gopi's loves are the transcendental calm, and Gopi's transcendental calm is the pure love. That's why there is no difference between calm and love. In this world, in this world, the sense gratification is called calm. So where there is a desire of Krishna's satisfaction, that is love only. How we can give the satisfaction to Krishna, this is called love. In the transcendental world, this is the speciality there. Anya vilashita shunyam jnana karma anya nadvritam bhaktiruttama anukulasya Krishna anusulam. Everything must be favorable for Krishna's. Everything must be favorable for Krishna's service. It means how we can give pleasure to Krishna. So why Radhaji is worrying so much? She is so much observed in Krishna that how she can give the topmost pleasure, because she has topmost love towards Krishna.
देखो हमारे मन सही रूप में कहाँ पर होता है, जहाँ पर चिंता किसमें होता है?
Why where our minds engage so much? Where there is love, so our minds engage there so much. Somebody loves money, so he is always thinking about money. Somebody who loves any girls, he always thinks about that girls.
और दूसरी चीज़ जिसके पास देश हिंसा आदि इसकी चिंता नहीं होता है।
When Krishna, because Kansa was fearing with the death, and that's why he was thinking about Krishna all the times, because he got the announcement by the sound, aerial sound, that Krishna will kill you. So since then, Kans, he is fearing with Krishna. So he was remembering Krishna so much, all the time, all the day. When he was eating, sleeping, whatever he was doing, he was always thinking about Krishna, because he got the aerial sound. Is it true or not? So he is sleeping here, but still he is thinking that Krishna is coming and kill me. Catch Krishna, Krishna is coming and he is going to kill me. Oh, please catch Krishna, he is coming, he is going to kill me. So Kans is like saying this. So maybe have you seen the Ramanand's program on the television, which is called Krishna? When Krishna is sleeping, and every time he is thinking, oh, Krishna is coming, oh my soldiers, please come and catch the Krishnas. He is thinking like this. he is always fearful with Krishna.
और गोपियों की भी कैसे होते जाते?
Now, what kind of gopis? Gopis are, because gopis have so much love towards Krishna. That's why they are every time they are thinking about Govinda. They have just one eagerness, one desire, that how can we meet with Krishna. They are so much eager to meet with Krishna. That's why their mind is observing Krishna all the time.
ये इस श्लोक में गोपी की अतिशय प्रगाढ़ प्रेम की अभिव्यक्ति है। पूर्व श्लोक में गोपियां अपनी विरह दशा वर्णन कर रही हैं। काम के अवसर में गोपियां अपने प्रेम की छिपाने का बहुत प्रयत्न किया, किंतु प्रेम की तीव्र प्रभाव के कारण प्रेम गोपन न रह सका, वह प्रकट हो गई। कृष्ण का अनिष्ट न हो इस चिंता में गोपियां दुखित रहे। हृदय दुखित हो रहा है। महाभाव का इसमें तो लक्षण बता है। अपने प्राण प्रीतम के विरह में जो दुख और मिलन की जो सुख, केवल गोपियां ही इसमें पारंगत है। चलसी जद ब्रज चार्य न कुसुम श्लोक में गोपियां श्री कृष्ण की चरण की व्यथा की व्याकुल को अपने भावों की व्यक्त किया और इसके लिए जत्ते सुजात और चरणाम गुजर हुआ श्लोक की अवतारित हुए।
So in the earlier shlok it is said that how Krishna, he is chasing the cows and he is suffering so much in his feet, and in this shlok gopis are also saying because our breast is so much hard, then how we can put Krishna's feet on our breast, because it is so hard, and Govind feet are so soft, then still they are saying
पूर्व श्लोक में दिवा विरह तथा इस श्लोक में रात्रि विरह का वर्णन है। दिवा काल में भ्रमण गोचारण के निमित्त जो घास इत्यादि पर होता है, तो उनकी कंकड़ कंटक आदि से किंचित मात्रा रक्षा हो सकती है, किंतु रात्रि में अंधकार में यमुनापुरी में पत्थर खंड कंटक तृण आदि कुछ आदि के दृष्टिगोचर नहीं होते।
At the daytime when Krishna is going for cow herding, because he has eyes, so he can save himself, he can see the stones or thorns when he is walking behind the cow, so he can see because he has eyes. Just like we are walking on the road, so we can take care of all the things because we have eyes, we can see on the ground that whatever is there are thorns, there are stones, whatever are there. But at the night time when you walk, you cannot see anything. So in this way, here it is saying at the time of night time, because at the night time Krishna is not able to see any stone, any thorns, any stones at the bank of Yamuna. So thinking these gopis are suffering so much and they are expressing their views.
और कृष्ण के कैसे सुंदर चरण कमल की वर्णन हो रहा है, आरोपित चरणद्वय और हो जाते इसको राकुल चरण कहते हैं।
Krishna's lotus feet are called Rakul.
एक पैर उठा करके जब दूसरी पैर रखते हैं तो पैर के नीचे के तल
when you are lifting your one feet,
अथवा ऐसे रखते हैं रक्त
What is talking about? The base. This is the base of the feet. Talua. This is ball. So the because Krishna's lotus feet are so soft, when he is lifting one his feet, so when he is lifting one his feet, so all the base of his feet becomes very reddish. So how this kinds of beautiful or soft charan, the feet, how he can put on the stones. So that's why gopis are thinking and suffering so much. चलो भैया गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोलो।
कृष्ण के चरण कमल की माधुर्यता अलग है, वैशिष्ट है। ये कृष्ण के चरण के कमल के साथ क्यों?
Why Krishna's feet are comparing like lotus? Why? Okay, we will discuss tomorrow. Braj Gopis, the Gopangana है।
गोपियां प्रेम के साथ कहने लगी, जत्ते सुजात चरणम, जत्ते सुजात चरणम भुजंगम। हे जीवात्म श्याम सुंदर,
हे श्याम सुंदर,
सुंदर विकसित कमल के भांति आपके रक्तिम चरण सुगंध माधुर्य गुणों से युक्त है और ताप निवारक भी है, समस्त ताप के दूर करते हैं। आप अपने रातों चरण से वन वन में भ्रमण करते हुए कंकड़ किनारे के आघात से दर्शित हो जाते हो, यही सोचकर हम दुखी हो जाते हैं।
So we will discuss about the explanation tomorrow. Okay, so Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. Okay, now we are going for Tulsi Aarti. Do one thing, you can come on the Hindi page for Tulsi Aarti. Okay, within 2 minutes. Hare Krishna. Thank you for all. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.